Daily routines. Hello, everyone. How are you? This is my daily routines. Let's go. I wake up every day at 5:45 a.m. And after that, I take a shower. Then I eat my breakfast at 6:15. The next thing I do is take my motorcycle, go to work. I start working as a teacher at 7 a.m. I finish work at 2 afternoon. And then I take lunch. Sometimes I play soccer with my friends. Eventually, I have some drinks with my friends at 6 p.m. I go back home around 7 p.m. I have dinner with my wife and my son. Around 8 p.m. So more or less. After that, I watch the news at 9 p.m. I read a Bible for 30 minutes before sleep. I thank God for His blessing. And finally, I go to sleep again. Thank you. I hope you like it. Tell us your routines. Shut up.